Linking your smart TV to HBO Max is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your smart TV is compatible with the HBO Max app. Most modern smart TVs from brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, and Vizio support the app. Check the manufacturer's website if you're unsure. Step 2. Download the HBO Max app. Navigate to your TV's app store and search for the HBO Max app. Select it and download the app to your smart TV. Wait for the installation to complete before proceeding. Step 3. Open the HBO Max app. Once the app is installed, locate it on your TV's home screen and open it. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account if you don't have one. Step 4. Sign in or create an account. Before changing your settings, use the /com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Link your device. After signing in, you may need to link your smart TV to your HBO Max account. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may involve entering a code displayed on your TV into the HBO Max website on another device. Now you are all set to enjoy HBO Max on your smart TV. Happy streaming!